quick trip down to Family Dollar to see what they had in new for summer season. They had like a bunch of outdoor stuff. So they had different size pools, different things. You can see starting at like $10, going up to $45. So based on your size, they have the above ground inflatable pools there right now. They had like outdoor chalk sets. They still have some patriotic items out. So this is like, that's a little like mason jars, cute. $10 for that right there. Home decor, they didn't have anything really new since we last been there, but they did have a few cute art pieces. This one right here was $5, and it comes in black too if you want. They have some little wall art pieces, $8. But a lot of it we saw the last time. $20 for this little set of mirrors right here. So you'll get the three, and you can do those always in different configurations. This mirror I thought was cute. So it's 14 inches, and it's like, kind of that window pane like look. And then they had another one that I thought was cute, kind of the same thing, like a window pane look, but this one had more curvature to it that just gave it like, better details to me. They had a few cute little signage pieces that I thought were cute. Only $3, not bad. This one right here, I thought it was real pretty because blues are nice. And so you'll get this set. You get three of them, a long one, two square-like ones, and you get all those pieces. And they had like a little antique looking like frame. This piece right here, $10. They had the little hooks for the front door. I like the welcome one right there. That was $8. They had these right here, which I just thought were cute because usually the warmers will go on your table or something. But that was like a plug-in warmer, and it came in different prints and stuff. These, I've never saw these before. So they're little scent sticks that you put in your drain. I'm imagining they dissolve over time, so they'll have different scents, and they're only $3. They had these metal signs. It says solar lights. The other ones I saw where the light would light up. I don't know where that one the light would light up though. But this, I think we saw this last time, but I just think it's cute. So it's a little $8. It's like a camera, and it's like a metal type material. These, I was checking to see, I need some peel and stick towels. I guess I have to order them on Amazon, but these are $12, but they only have the dark colors every time I go, and I want like a light color for a room I'm doing. They had some summer like bedding sets that I thought were nice. So $35, you get all the pieces. They had another print. They have, of course, bathroom stuff. So $10. These would be good to take back to school if your kids are going to college and stuff, just to start them out. They had some cute planters for outside in different sizes. So this one right here, $5. This purple one, they had a few different purple pieces. $3 for that. A lot of these we probably saw before. This right here, this basket, I thought was cute. So you can get the small one there, or you can get the big one for $10. You can get both and make a cute little set for like, nice looking storage. They have the big planter in purple. And even though they're like different shapes, like different details, you can probably put those together. But $10 for that one. And then this purple one right here, only $5. And they're almost the same size there. They have more of the metal signs for outside. This one you can see the solar detail. So I'm not sure about the other one. Then they have those pretty flowers. So these are like metal flowers you'll put out. Or you could do a cute little wall decor piece with these. These are $5. The purple was so pretty. And if you see it in person, just the colors pick up. So nice. They have other metal signs, $5, grills. So if you're looking for a grill, $30, $40, toys for the kids outside, gardening things. This planter, I like a neutral piece, but you got to be careful. You got to look because you can see the paint and stuff dripping there. But that was like $7. This one, $3 right here. These I thought were so cute. I think we saw these last time, but they're still cute. So they're little birdhouses, $5. They come in different prints. That one says spring. Spring is gone. So these two you can get right now. They're really pretty. They have other planters. They have the string lights for outside and, cute little bulb shapes. $10. They have things to paint and stuff for the kids. Hoses, just a bunch of different stuff. And you can see they have different sizes. the crafting section. If you're like me and you live in an area where there's no Dollar Tree Plus, then Family Dollar is where you're going to go to be able to get those other pieces like crafting pieces and different things like that. So they had all the cool things that I see other people getting at Dollar Tree Plus. They had cool trays you can do things with. The small ones I always see at Dollar Tree, but they're the same price, $1.25, like they'll be at Dollar Tree. The big trays are $5. They have just a ton of cute things that you can. So if you are a crafter and you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus in your area, then Family Dollar is where you go to be able to get those crafting supplies and different things that you would get at Dollar Tree Plus. But they had a lot of cool things in right now. Usually the Family Dollar that I go to, doesn't have that much craft stuff in. So this one right here that I went to today, they had a lot more options and I was pleased. So they had this little metal sign right here I thought was cute. So you can see $3 options, which of course they don't have at the regular Dollar Tree. There's just the things that go up to $1.25. So yeah, so they had a few good options in, and then some things that you'll be able to find at Dollar Tree. So just always check out the crafting section at Family Dollar. Of course, they have clothes. It was a little bit crowded in here today. I think they were, I don't know if they were stocking up because the shelves seemed already stocked, but they had a lot of things out in the aisle there. But they have swimsuits for the kids. You can get two-piece sets, one piece, the little LOLs. They are $9 for the one piece one. These right here, not this, okay, sorry. This right here I thought was so cute. The colors, look at that. So it says love is love. The colors are pretty. Underwear sets you can get there. So they have different, check based on what material you like. I like that one. It was like more like a cotton like material, so breathable. But they had a few different sets. They have bra sets, they have sports bra sets. $10 for that set right there. So you get a couple in the pack. This is what I was talking about. These are great, comfy. I like to be comfy in the summer. These are just cute little dresses. You pull the drawstring, they come up to plus size, and they're only $10. And they came in a bunch of colors. They have pockets. You can just toss on a pair of sneakers, a pair of sandals, and you can go in those. Love those. Swim shorts, or at least I think they were swim shorts. If not, they're just regular shorts the way around, but they look like swim shorts. $12. They had like different cartoon characters. So that SpongeBob, they had Scooby Doo. That one was cute. Kind of gave you like a retro look too, because of the black and white checkered. But rugs, so they have outdoor rugs. So the bigger ones are going to be the outdoor ones. $25, and they had a few different prints. And then they had small, like little plush rugs if you have like a small area looking for a rug. If you're looking for marble contact paper, $3.60. And you can grab this one. I like it. It's nice, plain. It's not doing too much and it's not doing not enough, if that makes sense. But they have other prints too. Mugs, I love a good mug. This one has cute little speckle details on it. Came in a few colors. They didn't have much new in kitchen home, like the kitchen section. A lot of these sets I think we saw the last time, but I was looking around trying to find something new. They have the Starbucks cup still, but just in that one color they had. Like I said, they still have patriotic items out. So these are like little LED lanterns. So you can see the little light in there. $5. They had different ones of those too. And even though 4th of July is like a day or so away, you can still leave these out for the rest of the summer. They have cute little metal signs. So the top is metal, and then the bottom is like woodish like material. This one right here, so it looks like it should be one piece. Like when you look at it, like it's one piece, but apparently not, because the pieces popped off. But you make sure you get one of the pieces all together. $5 for that right there. That little sign I thought was cute. You can hang that. You can use it as a door hanger. You can put a little bow with that. That'll be pretty. They had some summer rugs. These are cute. $6. They had different prints. And then the little plushy ones, like these are good for your kitchen and stuff. Those like squishy kind of ones. And those were like, they had the little patriotic like ones there. They have summer items for the kids for outdoors, games, pool floaties, toys, all kind of stuff. This little patriotic sign I thought was cute. And you can see they have different wording too. $5 for that. And you can see buy one, get one 50% off of American themes. So the patriotic stuff, buy one, get one 50% off. But they do have other summer kitchen items. I'm not sure if that Liberty one, because that seems patriotic, right? It says Liberty, if that was part of the sale. But you can always check and see more cute little signage. $3 for that, and it has two different sayings on it. These flamingos I thought were cute, and you could probably pair these together. Even though that does come with a decent amount of stuff, it comes with the tea towels, the oven mitt, and all that and stuff. But you could probably pair those together. They have the little bento box sets. They had those in two colors. More summer items, toys for the kids for outdoors. So Family Dollar has a lot of that right now. Coolers for if you're going out, if you need a cooler for your back patio or something. So they have bigger size ones, $45, $35. That's like a medium size one. They have small ones, toss and go. You can throw that in your trunk. $25. And of course they have all the drinks and stuff you need. So 3 for 12, so you get all of that. They have the little Adirondack chairs. They only had this color though. $30 for that right there. The other little pools they have chairs. So if you have a kiddo, soccer games, things like that, these are great. These are 14 and these are 25. So they look the same, but they're not the same. So they have those. So yeah, you might want to check out your Family Dollar and see what they have in right now.